What's up guys, and today I'm going to show you how to replace your tail light. So that's the left one, which is good, and the right hand side is out. So this should work on 2011, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And the bulb we're going to use is 7443 Sylvania. I'll put the link on the description down below where you can buy this. So first thing, we're going to pop up the trunk. We're not going to use no tools. I'm just going to use my keys to pop up the compartment. Okay, that's my wife's shoes, and right there, that's the compartment we're just gonna pop up. I'm gonna use my keys. You see that key? We're gonna pry them out. Okay, you see that corner right there? Let me set the camera down. You see that corner? I'm gonna stick my keys in there and pry them out. Once you get a little hole, put your thumb and then walk it out. Okay, until things comes out. Now, which one it is? It's the brown one up on top. Okay, so you can see right there, and then blow, it lined up. It does make sense. Blow, see, all lined up. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pull them up, lefty loosey, turn left, blow. Once it's loose, just pull out straight up. So you can see it's blown out. It's black. Now you're just gonna pull it out straight up like that. And then you're gonna put a new one in. Just push it down. Blow like that. Push it down hard. And then before we install them, we're gonna turn on the headlights and the tail lights will come on. Make sure it's good. You don't want to install it not being good. So this one's good. And then we're gonna light him up. Look for the fat one. Okay, so this is the fat. There's three sides. Put the fat one in and then right turn it, righty tighty. Once everything is tight, you're gonna put the lids back in. Okay, start from the bottom right there. Start from the bottom. Now we're here. Okay, line him up on the bottom and then just push it in. You can punch it if you want. Bow. That's it. Look at the left. That one is good and the right one is bad, but now it's good. Voila.